So I just got back, not from the gym. I went straight from the gym, dropped my parents to the airport, officially all alone. Whatever. Protein was delivered last night though. That's what I'm gonna have now. Should we do a taste test? We should do a taste test. Let me show you which one I got. That's what I got. It's got the vanilla chai. So it's Blessed. Blessed is a protein that was launched by Katya Henry in collaboration with EHP Lab. It's a vegan protein. It's meant to be very light and it's meant to be delicious. I have noticed that most EHP supplements that I've tried so far have been the best tasting supplements I've had. Gonna try Ghost next time. Ghost, I've heard a lot about the pre-workout. Gonna try the pre-workout next time once my pre-workout's over. Also got a new BCAA. BCAA. It's the pack. It's the pack. Sounds good. Honestly, never heard of it before, but I got it because it sounded cool. Packaging looked cool. So I was like, let's try it. Let's give it a try. Gonna taste test Blessed now. Tell you how it is. And then I'll probably eat in a bit. Alright, got my water here. Got about 10 ounces of water. Pro tip though, before you start, make sure every time you get a new supplement, you measure out the serving size. Basically, how many grams of that supplement are you getting in a scoop? What I've noticed with my vegan protein from My Protein was that that scoop was double the size of the serving size mentioned on the back of it. And even when you track it on MyFitnessPal, the standard serving size is half of what you get in one scoop. So you will probably be very off. Like double the scoop is like quite high on protein. Like you don't want to be that off. So I'm measuring the first one. So according to this, a serving gram is 29 grams. So let's see. Take one scoop. Oh, that smells amazing. Smell that vanilla chai. Actually, smell mostly vanilla, but I'm not complaining. Smells nice. Let's see. $34 grams. Not bad, not bad. I mean, fine, I guess. You basically take a heap scoop, or I'm gonna take a heap scoop every time I'm taking this, and I'll be on track with my 39 grams. That 5 gram doesn't matter. My issue is when it's like double the size, because that's what I experienced. My little Thor shaker. There's a big issue with vegan proteins. They might end up tasting very powdery. I don't know about this one. I've heard very good things. It did not explode. Taste test. It's okay. Very powdery. Definitely very powdery. I'm not really getting a taste. What am I tasting? Tastes really weird. Tastes weird in the sense that I can't tell if it tastes good or bad. Whatever. I'll probably review it again in a few days once I get used to the taste. So that's how it works for me. Also got a banana. Just gonna have this until I get some work done, and then I'll make my first meal. Just eggs and bread. Almost. Almost forgot to show you guys what I'm eating. That's pretty much it. This is a little thing that I've been having on the side. Like 15 grams of that is like 4 calories, I think. That's meal number 1. See you guys for meal number 2. So I finally got hungry and I thought I'll make some chicken. And then I got distracted. And this is what happened. See that? Oh damn. You can see the remains of the chicken pieces I did take out because they were still salvageable. I don't have time to cook again right now. And I'm way too hungry to actually wait for food to be delivered. But I got like 30 grams of chicken and like 100 grams of rice. So we're gonna have this for now. It's fine, it's whatever. And then I'll probably order something because I need to go pick up groceries tomorrow in the morning on my way back from the gym. Record order. So guys, you know how I said the key to losing weight, the key to being shredded, the key to a cutting diet is eating at home. I couldn't help it. Right now I have groceries. Decided I'm gonna get them tomorrow. But at least I'm eating healthy. High on sodium, but I'm eating healthy. So I just got back home and I am so full and I'm knackered. I'm gonna tell you guys something. I haven't had caffeine in 2 days. Yesterday was the first day that I had no caffeine at all, not even green tea. And I slept like a baby. Today I haven't had caffeine and right now quite sleepy. I think that's amazing. I always had trouble sleeping. I even started taking melatonin, but it didn't have a very good effect on me. It made me sleep for longer rather than made me sleep quicker, which was my issue. I'd get in bed and lose sleep, not be sleepy at all. So this whole no caffeine thing, second day, it's quite nice. Let's see how long I can do this for. Let's see. Even my pre-workout doesn't have caffeine, so that's great. That's it for this video. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.